Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and search for jobs on LinkedIn app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, what you would like to do is you're simply gonna go ahead, open up your LinkedIn app right in your mobile phone first. Make sure you have created a nice and good profile of yours. You're gonna make sure you're logged in as well. Then first thing I would suggest is you will go to your profile, you go to your settings, and you will go to this option called data privacy. Scroll down, go to this option called job seeking preferences, job application settings. Now you're gonna go ahead here, you can see this option called save upload resumes and answer to application questions is turned on. Make sure it's turned on as well. Then you can tap on this upload resume. You're gonna tap on this, you're gonna upload a resume of yours from your document over here. Once you're done uploading, you can turn this on. Share resume database recruiters, whoever would like to recruit you, if you turn this on, they will be able to see your resume, which why we need to add it. Then afterwards we're gonna go back. We have done from our side, we have entered our resume, our profile is nice, we're ready to get a job. Then you can go to this option called jobs given below here with the name of jobs as well. Then you will be able to find all kinds of recommendation from LinkedIn itself, right? Once you have done that, you can simply scroll down, find this jobs. You can see the full-time translator, executive intern, you can see show all. You can go ahead, check out all the jobs, and you can tap on them. You can share, you can tap on this easy apply. Once you have done that, you will enter all of your information. You will tap on this next option, you will enter your resume that it asks for. You can tap on this add your cover letter, tap on next. You will be able to apply for that job like that over here. So this is the way for you to find jobs on LinkedIn. And the first thing that I would like to make sure is you also should follow and make a connection with the kind of people, with the kind of company, with the kind of group that you would like to get the job from or would like to work. So that is the key for you, and I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I will be seeing you guys in our next video.